Hey, what's up guys? Just want to show you this driveway that I'm working on. Obviously have had some washing out issues with all the gravel, so the whole site is prepped now. I'm probably not going to have enough material to do the entire driveway, but that's what dump trucks are for. So I took out about 20 yards from this area and got 20 tons of 3/4 native I'm about to spread out, but everything is graded. I built this retaining wall, pretty basic. They were having some flooding issues. I guess there was a whole deposit from when the septic was done, so back there. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna start spreading and get cracking. See you guys.